y'all. So this week, in this week's makeup video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys how I get my brows done, or how I achieve this type of brow. Somebody commented last week in last week's video. If you don't know what I'm talking about, go check out last week's makeup video. And I decided, well, why not actually do a demonstration? So thank you to that person who commented, do a demonstration. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing a demonstration on how I do these nice eyebrows, because we're leaving dark and black eyebrows back in 2018 or whatever it is. So if you would like to see this tutorial, keep on looking. As you guys know, my name is Takida Joseph, and on this channel we're focused on God, life and makeup. And in today's video, I'm going to be giving you guys a brow tutorial on these bomb brows. And remember to like, comment and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at Takida Joseph, at Takida Limited. And remember that when you like, the video goes out to way more people. So put on your notification bell also, so that you will get a notification every time we drop a video. So obviously I wanted to come here today to show you guys the difference. So that's what we're doing. So first thing I'm doing is I'm brushing up my hair into the position that I want. So you guys already see that I already have a shade to my eyebrow. I already have a curve to my eyebrow, right? So I'm going to show you guys how, when we use concealer, how much more of the eyebrow hair we are going to see. It's my concealer brush. I've been using it already this morning. I have some concealer on my hand, and I'm going to show you guys when I go in just with the concealer what happens. Right, so I'm going to go in right here. Let me not let my mirror block you guys. Starting right there. And you need to make sure that your eyebrows are always shaved. I would suggest that you guys shave your eyebrows before you do this. Alright. So you see how it's looking way more carved out now, right? So imagine if I had dark brown on my eyebrows before I do this, or black on my eyebrows before I do this, and then I carved it out, it would have been even more pronounced. So you see it's already pronounced just with the concealer being at the bottom there, right? It's already pronounced. You see, it's already pronounced. Do you see? Look at the difference. You see how it looks like the hair is like a bit darker, and all we did was conceal it. We haven't filled it in yet. Yeah, I really wanted to come back and demonstrate this for you guys, so you guys would have gotten it. So let me go on this side now. I'm actually vlogging, I think, today for Sunday's vlog, so if you have not been watching my vlogs, get to watching it, please. Please, 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 pretty please. Good, do you guys see? I hope the lighting and everything is okay here. So right, so now what I usually do when I get to here is I would want to get a small brush, even like my eyeshadow brush, my concealer brush, or whatever the case is, and I would just brush out this makeup here. Yeah, I would just brush out this makeup here. Alright. Like so. I'll come over here on this side, brush out this makeup here too. Now I don't like that it's messing with my contour here, so obviously I will go back after and I'll fix that in, right? So guys, I put on my lashes and a little bit of eyeshadow. So I'm going to show you guys now what I'm filling in my eyebrows with. So you guys can already see the definition from before when we had on no concealer till now. So if I go and put dark brown on my eyebrows now, it's going to be so much. So I am going to go in with this NYX brow pencil, and the shade is chocolate. So as I said, this was more down to the end. If you don't know what I'm referring to, go to the other video. I'll try to link it right here. This was a shade that was more to the end, and yeah, I decided to give it a try. So let me show you guys how it looks. Now this camera has like a focus thing, so yeah, you guys see that? Good, that's how it looks. And let me just fill it in. So what I do is I start to fill in from where I see I have an issue. So I have an issue right here. I'll start to fill in there. Alright, then I'll go here to get the height. Right. Then I'll go down right here. See? Just so, and that's how you get your eyebrows to look kind of feathery also. You're going with light pencil strokes. Right, so then when I reach to the front, I'll just go up like this. Yeah. So this is this. It's like, it's just light feathering it needs. It doesn't need anything much. This side is just need the height here. Yeah. Right? Do you guys see? And that is it for my eyebrow. I hope you guys really enjoyed this brow tutorial. I put on my wig. This is how it looks. I'm trying to look at it over there also. But it looks so good. You guys saw how easy I achieved these eyebrows. It was super easy. It looks super natural. You see how I got these strokes and everything. If you want a more in detail explanation with anything to do with the eyebrows, comment down below. Thank you guys for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and follow me on Instagram for more. Until next time, bye bye.